So the three projects at the moment that we're currently doing is the resurfacing of the Concourse areas, one up at the eastern end and some patch-up work at the western side end. That work is expected to be finished this week, so it'll add a new sort of shine to the facility itself. The major work at the moment that's being done is still the play area or the splash pad area. It's designed for kids from 3 to 13 sort of interacting. The larger kids will still enjoy it. So it'll have little sprays and everything for little kids that'll transition into the leisure pool next to it. Plus it'll have three to four little slides on it, which all kids will enjoy. Work's continuing there at the moment. The final part of the concrete is all done now. Now we're waiting for the equipment to arrive into the country. We're still on track at this stage for it to be completed towards the end of September, hopefully in time opening for the long weekend in October. The project that's already been completed is the new Grandstand Roofing. It replaced the old Grandstand Roofing, which was quite old, starting to have holes within it. Plus also with the new roofing we put in a under sheeting area, which will also stop the pigeons from hanging around within the grandstand, so it should be a lot better for the community members. So we're going to open the pool about 2 weeks earlier than normal this year. We're going to open on Monday the 3rd of September. Mainly those opening hours will be for lap swimmers, to give people an opportunity to swim laps. Obviously with the RSL pool still being out of action, we're going to open a little bit earlier. Our pool won't quite just be to the temperature we'd like it, but still obviously that'll give opportunity for the community members to swim within the pool area. The leisure pool itself, it won't be open until the October long weekend, especially with works going so close next to it with the splash area. It won't quite be a good area, and obviously we also got to do a little bit of rehabilitation with the grass areas just from the construction. So that's when that will be opening, but the lap swimming pool, lap swimmers will be able to start in early September.